Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study basic select statement. A select statement which returns all the rows and columns from a table, and a select statement which returns specific columns and specific rows from a table. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, click on subscribe button here and click on bell icon so that you will notify as soon as we upload any video. So the very first basic select statement is which returns all the rows and columns from a table. Select star from jobs. So it means that using star we will get all the rows and columns from job table. In the select statement here, select means select and get all column and rows from where? From jobs table. So here we get all the rows and columns from the jobs table. So if you want to get specific columns from a column, we need to write the name of those columns. For example, if you want to get job ID and min salary from jobs, we can write their names. For example, job ID and min salary from jobs. So here we got only the min salary column and job ID column from jobs table. So if you want to get specific rows from a table, we can write star are the column names from jobs where. For getting specific rows, we need to have a where condition. Using where condition, we can specify a condition here. So we'll get the data when the condition is true. For example, where min salary is any data from here, for example 4,000. So we got the data where the min salary is 4,000. We can also use all different other conditions here. For example, instead of equal to, we can write less than, unequal to, greater than, unequal to, or not equal to, or others different conditions. For example, we have used here less than symbol. We'll get the data where min salary is less than 4,000. If you want to include 4,000 itself, you will have to specify the equal to sign here, and here we got the data where min salary is 4,000 and less than that. At the same time, we can use greater than symbol, greater than and equal to. So we got the data where min salary is greater than 4,000 and equal to 4,000. So if you want to specify date format or string formatting where condition, you need to put that in single quotation. For example, select star from jobs where job ID equal to, so job ID is from of string type, we need to specify that condition in single quotation. For example, SA man, sale manager. So we get the data where job ID is sale manager. So here we reached to the end of this tutorial. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.